what this is. Looks like we have a bag here to put this in. Pull this out. RV cover instructions. So it does come with some instructions. Okay. Something else there. Something else here. These are tie-down straps. A bunch of them. A whole bunch of tie-down straps. And then here is the actual cover itself. Okay, and here is everything out of the box. This does come with 4 wheel covers. Now, I've already got some wheel covers on, but the kit does come with 4 of these, so that's good to know. Comes with plenty of straps. So my next step is just to get this out of the shrink wrap there, and to see what where the front of it is and where the rear of it is. Put it up on top of the rig and kind of unroll it. I have a 31-foot fifth wheel, and so that's what I'm going to be working on today. I've never actually used one of these before, so I don't know how difficult it's going to be to strap it down. This is going to be my first experience, so let's see how it goes. Okay, now the very first thing that you need to determine when you are installing this, of course, is which is the front, which area is the front. Now, with my fifth wheel, it looks like it's got an area here that's a different fabric, but there is actually a tag here that says front. You can't really read that because it's wadded up there. So this is the front of it. So I'm going to flip it around and get it up there somehow. I haven't decided yet exactly how I'm going to get it on top of my rig, but somehow I'm going to get it towards the center and closer to the front. That's what I'm going to try to do, and then just gradually unroll it and see what it does. Okay, now I've got the hard part done. I've got most of it pulled down to the ground here. So the next step is just to tie it down. And we've got a lot of these straps right here that are designed for that. Don't know exactly how that works yet. I'm gonna have to figure it out. But we've got all these little straps underneath here, and there's a bunch of them. So that's gonna be a pretty time-consuming process to figure out where all of these little straps go and exactly how, because the instructions are really not very good at all. But yes, as you can see, these little straps are everywhere. So that's our next step, is to figure out exactly how everything gets strapped down. And I noticed that there's a big portion right here that zips. I guess that's for if you needed access to the door, you could zip that section up and then you can have access to your RV door. So, but yeah, definitely going to need to be strapped down, because as you can see, there's a big gust of wind that's just blowing, and you can see it's just about blowing the RV cover off. So definitely needs to be strapped down. Okay, let's get to work there. Now there are a bunch of straps here. Here's the list that's on the packaging here. So hopefully they're relatively well marked, so I know where they go. A very major gripe and complaint that I have is that there are no real instructions. There's no instructions telling you where each one of these go. I mean, you could have a corresponding number or letter that goes to a corresponding number and letter on the cover itself to tell you where all of these go. Just by a process of elimination, I've gone ahead and I've put my straps in, 12 of them along one side, then I'm going to go run across to the other side. There's a couple of straps here that I still don't know exactly where they go. There are some larger straps here that are supposed to go the full length of the RV. So, and I don't know exactly where those hook in. A couple of female ends here, but the strap itself has a male and a female, so I don't know where. I'm looking for another male end on the back of the cover, and I'm not seeing one, so I have no idea where these big straps go. Okay, so I think that's the way it's supposed to go on there. I've still got 4 straps that I have absolutely no idea where they're supposed to go. But at least the RV is covered now, which protects the roof from the UV rays, and that'll certainly help and give us a little bit of a peace of mind, because we do park this here for long periods of time.